And it was a gorgeous day yesterday with temperatures in the 60s. Today, it's not looking as nice here across the area, but we are still looking at the potential here of a decent day. Temperatures will remain above average as we head on into the afternoon, but we are tracking a little bit more in terms of clouds and a little bit cooler temperatures as well. The wider view showing us why we are going to see these clouds. This area of disturbance moving across the Great Lakes, increasing our cloud coverage throughout the day, also increasing the chance we could see a few light rain and maybe even a few light snow showers as well. Currently overlooking a dark southern tier, looking at temperatures right now, 25 degrees, winds out north around 9 miles an hour. And you'll notice these temperatures, low 30s, some mid-20s as well. It's a colder start than what we've experienced over the last couple days. 26 in Vestal, 27 in Shenango, 28 in Greene, 27 in Delhi, 24 up in Ithaca, 25 in Owego, 26 in both Star Rucka and in Montrose. And as we head off to the east, Stanford at 28, Roxbury at 29, Margaretville at 27. So let's take a look at future track where we are noticing clouds building back on in. Right now, though, it's looking like it's going to be partial sunshine. As we head on into the afternoon, that's when we are looking at mostly cloudy conditions. You'll see future track showing around 8 to 10 o'clock, maybe some light flurries developing here as that system moves across the region. Given how dry we are, given how warm we've been, not expecting much in the way of anything significant with these showers that do develop. And most of the overnight period is looking rather quiet. I do think we'll see some clearing as we head into the morning time. I think this model overdoes the cloud cover just a bit, but I will say off to the east, I do think clouds will be the dominant forcing in the sky for tomorrow. Most of the day tomorrow, though, looking quiet and dry. Then as we head into Friday, high pressure returns, which means we are looking at wall-to-wall sunshine as we end our work week. Over the next 12 hours, you'll notice, not a whole lot happening here. Again, 20% chance between noon to around 6. I think we could up that to maybe around 40 to 60 between 7 to 9. But overall, nothing that we can't handle here across the southern tier. However, that being said, I am looking at Sunday. That's the day we're watching out for the potential to see some thunderstorms and maybe even some heavy rainfall. So let's take a look at what one particular model's prediction of what's going to happen. We have this massive airflow pressure in the Midwest, and that is actually going to give us some rain showers throughout the day on Saturday. Not looking at it being a widespread issue, isolated off and on. But you'll notice this airflow pressure moving through the Ohio River Valley. When that arrives, that's going to give us some tropical moisture. Tropical moisture, obviously, warmer air, can hold more water. That allows us to potentially see some heavier pockets of rain, maybe even a few downpours as well as we head on into Sunday afternoon and evening. Umbrella will be necessary, and I want to stress we have not issued a first alert weather today quite yet. We still got to wait for the data to come in terms of if we're going to see any severe weather, if we're going to see any flooding, stuff along that line. So for now, it's just going to be a rainy Sunday. Temperatures warming back up into the low 60s by Sunday. St. Patrick's Day, 45. As we head towards Tuesday, mostly sunny skies, temperatures nearing 53.
All right.